I was on a base mama Shama Wakwaba. But that's a swift in that 106.3 FM. Believe the chief giant force in Yanfasadano and my Franco Trading Enterprise. Wabadaruma Anna and a pint so Masori Java me de Bayuano me de Bravo Franco Dr. Frank Naseye and now Benya mobile phones papa. And who can be about home appliances and so JJ. One more latest Nebuano Edafom. And to say to Akotomo, Sao Peba Quato, a Franco Trading Enterprise. And Krabatano, Ghana had a Miami Bibri. Nemo Sabanasa will social media, Facebook for that matter. Now, I'm going to Franco Trading Enterprise, Shewinson. Sir Franco Facebook page, you know. And Kwan over 100,000 likes, 100K likes. And to go Facebook to see her. Obama said the Pabonphobia creative Franco Trading Enterprise. To woman in Agu, Nashishania, a young more than 100K likes, you know. Franco, Yadana say. So now I want him to be you on your sass here. Now, I want you. I'm a number 2 ja. So how be a wolf famuno? Frame. Nabam Huamanie. A wom costly be on ma mea between Sanama Swambu. And I'm my best me bra. Missikasa, it is sending Missika. And I was a CJ Mindidi. Of a CJ, my girlfriend. Obi crowd to be friend, was of a CJ. My girlfriend. And I was bad 3 days in it. Also, I'm in Cold Road. Ninaye. Nemono, we are serious. We are serious. And you grow. Sajuma, we know I'm a far to me, Hosono. And you grow. Nabaya Busumi Mienu, Busumi and Sabusumi see away anymore. Ubehunu, the results. Aye, Babina. Because, me imagine the point say, your results are, Minja Muntu Ho. Say your results are Minja Muntu Ho. Me shall see Awoshi traffic light in Samsam. Because she don't be fierce or me driving for me to home. Say wow. Well yeah, this is radio. 80 from me. Now yanka and someone have one. Yanka wasem. Menya course bebre ni na so ma tra to ho. Wo mo na ma san friend pakro ni bio na ma bisa no ebu on ni pakro no kra to me frɛ me ma tell so onya abotre me di hundwuma bio ho no ma na se me suma no reporter no oba ba bia asam no wo no no bedi akire etu friend man fa send me message WhatsApp ana SMS or pictures ni videos so of the situation recording the camera na fa send me WhatsApp na mi ni akire esan sagana ha nipa bebre wo haw beyiwa no na yen so ano ansa na me de ma no besi mesa so de number no ama wo enu me pon adwuma me ne me production team yako Medical and Dental Council na a familiar ba patients euphoria yebekai na otwe mu obetra manim ha wade ne ba call 37 military hospital sa wakwa kwaje arehwe say ya akora ne surgery esan say ma me ne say abofra no hwa nkromo ensam ne nyina ya manim asam dada na yani ni wie sa interview no me de me wie enura me ni me team yeso ababa wanensa ade ne call Dental and Medical Council ecology official complaint yakoto acting registrar Dr. Divine waje kama eti woma so asemnim abayo no ne ba 4 years say on the panio say man draw abofra 4 years ano nante di agro bibia abofra no abubu ontimi nante ontimi nkasa nani nsusu huna de sasam no wama som yensusu yani edi akire yani di akire you can always trust us yani di akire papa masama edi ho ansa na fe matesim sabu kai basabasa yo esi do me faase ensanse sam ho tututu komu ema approach asoja fo bi kura preprae ene ade se ya hwe ni yi a kroki tuo bi ewo ensama do agire mpotamu efra ho akwamu se ya hwe ni yi a ni esi do me faase no ebi besi ho ni esi do me faase ne se ya hwe ni yi a ebi besi ho esa sentia manya no na paya se womu a womagye nsase ewo akwamu krom ho womu ebi di yakua ebi so di ye niema ehu hia womu yakofa tractor ye grader edi abesi ensase no a amafo yakua wo so no so ejuri sase ni so nyina nnabaya amafo abre adua ye juri sase ni so nyina ye de asase ne be den a ye se de betu anwea ye de betu anwea na so we enkonkon nyina no obehu ano na afei ochehene ni din batabata ho na afei ya se opani ni din kwa woni mu hwe na ye se ni din kwa na anapaya beto manim sei masuma Maxwell Kudako se wonko ho no fa hon mama ne emfa mremi matete sansem ya free hwawie no first issue a media sha beyiwa no yase eye denchira esanse MA primary school school no chese ni husa na me describe no kra tebia school no wom sesia no asefem fibayen fie nwotwe konfie nkuru ni school no ne fa baabi ahye adwiragu ama wa hwe se na school dan no asuga eji na ebu nyame afafie na sankura ko ban se wo mo classroom esua de nyame fasa ma na danji jim asemasi na ye die chira the latest ana me de brawi are you all the pictures na guso join me on Facebook. Yeah, Jumani, you're funny phone. Join me on Facebook. Say, Uhunu Foni, and Wurakusu, Afua. A Sansi MA Primary School. School 9 for Fra. Sometime 2016, correct? One more chance, a foundation, and I can remuno. Primary school no fufura enkayeba besie ana akanwura no Chesania ahon mafuo dada no akanwura no eno dafa ana senior school no ankasa etisisia no eno so dafa na eya amanyofo modi adwin di agro. I'm going to tell you a story. I heard this story yesterday. I'll tell you that story. School no nia aya no ani ye pa ho asem ne se no ani any former DC o se MC ye ne nkasa ana ye bo ni punum ana o se bo e no kre abra abandada no penso me ye DC ana amanfo ne de beto manim se ne school dan no aye enti mi di hu dwuma ye nkrata asamwa na ja ye se be si foforo enti ye twa foundation emu ho ye be sase no a ana ye free aban ana school dan no aka nwura mu ho na ye pa abusa the current DC so opani nia wo predecessor waka kire ye ni na ebu no kura ne san san kono dia wanji asompo na wontie wama kwadwo fodwo na nunsi wama kwadwo fodwo na nunsi po no wontie no anga so opani te se kodwo ma na ne so ase me nkasa wadum ni phone so nasa ekobasa mode yadwin di agro because election year campaign season senior school ya yi MP ben minister ben DC ben eno de ne ba anana wo fa simple ala ko tra sa dan nim Oraya Owusubako aya unit committee chairman. Mamene no ntwetwe nkomo. Ya bako.
Nya.
Matye.
Ya, you know what?
Awode wo ho.
Yesu adwandom ya Facebook.
Denchira essence MA primary school no. Minim bra obeye unit committee chairman de. But dey na onim fa ho na biem dada no a aka nwura mu na kire dada no aka nwura mu na fe foforo no a eye adwiragu no e ho asem na me bi sai ya ba ko
okay I mean I would me akwanya ema atiefo na ache me that akwanya odi it's a school na o kan wa asem am say school no ye buy no ko na sani tuoni na no mfotre se nya abani na itime bo aye ma di kubisi ho le mo no omani ni ka break e di communal ba e di school no isi no nti eno watire no nti school ni sada nya kubiaka na so na mse kura de so aso so an no nti mi anam wa konti mbe kaine siya mbaye no na ina yete de hundu ha nyotemu nti ya basate chairman oniya emiya ba atamela ne kuyenim nti mi ba se ba its ni ana school na ndako mpo mama ne se itate na yikodu wono mi kodu wono se woni na se kachiro anya enya so I'm so my fire service for ama almost some of the no I hear the school and no I see we make them about a man na or say about by a bon in school here and yet a band and a boy a community no I want they you see, I make a say, you can say, you know, more be and Poland. They are real weapon the buyer. That and yet, as a people of that, you know, we some the school no, I want to say no.
Okay, but yeah, that no, yet foundation, I can wurem. And also so near Edward Guidi and Waka Wansem. Now, for me, as I see, I mentioned on Facebook. Yetwa foundation aka nwure mo hono mo fukusu eno so ya
nya okuta no and betu 2016 abano ena onabo le ankoma katam no na ena onabo na as yet. Now, and I'm saying, you only do my wood in MP, so you do my wood in. You ever talk about MC, I have a boy, and in an of a say of a school, my what is the school? That I need this Nicolano, Omumbe, and a beya. Omba boy, the Omba for and candidates. Now I walk. Ukrainian men at all from the Bushwa Foundation, pillars now.
Ya kakra mame ya na wahoma no ya twitwi kakra se wo dem na betumi apia bonten a ekebeboa
Otiminga
metonka ya o
nti tama ebata no omo egusu school na tese abato en kende abato no mbele abe nti yeto abani wiye na NDC L2 ya na tese MC no nyade a obetumi akwa again no kasa bisi na de and this thing we na no akamwele ma ni boy na you become your house to get.
Okay, but as unit committee chairman anamomba na watu dada no ho fofo no ho anamomba na watu
akamwele ma na bo someone service former akamwele ma na bo fianza na ono ba kona wiba na tuona mo yala tripambo ye yo sia efeno amu pamen so service ya nanti hu bia ye kwa ni yo ye kwa go osina ye baba fe o gwa de baba fe de bia san jro for ba ye su de ita pictures ni ade ade ya no mo no de ya tu pa le mo no yo ye o di ade ma no onye we dia nyere no nye ya no so de o.
Well, but awufu a wo ma ekosa school yi ma mefamfo kakra awufu a wo ma kosa school yi ene senior school dan yi ayeyi se krom hofo nko ampo eka se wo mo keka wo mo nsase o ma bo wo ma ne hu bidi a enti school mu ntimi nya ho hwe
Inya on yo kan ninjina na school dan no apa ye sa no bebele kula yi wo mo ma filia. Because
I see.
I put them say swap. The swap and then who got the get the plan 50 plan or almost. Now it could about 2005 population. Now I buy more school there. Meaning we say twice grammar more mutual on the time at SKB as a buying. They don't me not in the bar school.
The current DC our was we minim the last time I wanted to train komo DC our was to CCA minim the last time I wanted to train komo efa school you ho yaw who tell me maybe say when was the last time I only the current DC motochen come off school you ho
honorable the school then many assembly the family of my son a pedigree more than 10.
Okay, ya jina suma me na me ni oro kodwado one oil contractor school dan na wodi ho dwuma ora do temenka
me tonka
but one the new school block essence MA primary new school block no one e share won sa na wo ye ho adwuma
me na mo de share me ana me ye ho adwuma
abebe next contract ne be di won sam
contract ne be di me sam that was 2016
contract be di won sam 2016 and now 15
20 if I answer 2015 2016 yeah 2016 yeah
okay sikana yedi yes our contract no na yes saying how much is involved in the contract Rado
the contract sum no is 350. So 350 that way. There's a 350 something.
350,000.
Many office in me share the contract document. But me say it's about 350,000. Maybe some practice will so.
Emusa na unsa kan out of 350,000.
Me san kan skabia. Me san kan skabia.
And to come now for so share a project no because I see iron rods, I see foundation and near my care ka ho.
What I know is omuma contract omuma who is the contractor. Omuma one now be pre-finance. And we have pre-financing no do baby no one really certificate. And she will really certificate and now they are no much amount. And the initial stage me and pre-financing here.
There's a one mobilization fund bia.
There be me can mobilization.
And it's a sign now the pre-financing you ever do some pence way.
Okay, so it's about 35 plus that was 1,000.
By 35,000 there, what the pre-financing?
Yeah, maybe pre-financing.
And a breban and a free site. 112 you may subio.
Come on, free site. The time change of government by change of the administration, change of government by and I'm saying formation by say all the contractors, a juma moving now will be unfun a human go now about almost all mobile shame. And see, yet my own site a buy. If you actually understand our mobile cars will be come back to site. But to be honest, some of cars will be on site, not sick as some near man could. Now may common farm project be so a creative or not only a cheap compound. And to a whole moment because of when it's not many or cheap compound. And to tell my and I say cheap compound is a payment in Koyi, into a sky about that to gas farm project, a sample project. And I'm a giant, I can say. You get fan if you did deny the park or something. I am so I'm their friend to us. And
FIBA 2017, no, and what press will pay Sicadia to project. I got to a project, so yeah. Okay, but for nature, no project, what were the components? Then, a woman.
Oh, I say room, classroom block. And office, and a library, and a computer room. And that is what I mean. I say room as well.
I see. I see. But one as a contractor, why you follow up? Because with 35,000 there, I come in pre-financing the project. Umbisa wants to be a view. So I got to us and I don't go to us.
Oh, not quite to us, but what the minimum of gas farm project, I want to say, the way in your first one, I'm married. The minimum of gas farm project, I want to say, step by step, your foundation, no idea what to work could do lentil. No idea certificate. Now from then, what boss we are, no idea certificate. From then, now they are finishing. But we need the minister. You knew the level at which we are ready certificate. And you know, the enemy and say, measure 17 years can come back to the site. And I'm to me, I could do level and say, me certificate.
Okay, it's Yamia will come back to site, Cotwell, you may swear. Bayan Nadu was saying, now what you do saying, but some do saying, I bet to be the every project in India.
Oh, it's cow home, Quadia, me quite check out 3 months,
Okwa ante kura bosome miensa obetimi awie
emetimi awie ama ya find the foundation ya foundation ya failure no ansi ya share blog work na ya share blog work na ya at least progress there net to yadin. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah, shot yes, your boss, yeah, you so continue say the academy say it means yes, car, I check by 3 months' time, you reach me.
You go so a pesika isikano wa usika na ode kwa kwaye ananso so after nkomotwetwe achi woni mpanifo obakasa na fe yehunu se wo kwa na se wo ba se school dan ye toa so ananso so ye ntoa so ebio
Asa nkomotwetwe to obi wo ba bi na obetumi aboa me dia obi wo ba bi na obetumi aboa me a iti se oba me ne be tena Nate emuobi obetumi di aboa ye traffic wie ne nyame ya dom ne tumi wie a se ne disika na ewo mu ka tro de be kam ho no na ne ye tumi wie certificate ala me di disika ma no enti no me di ye maduma na ya de ya odo contract na ma me enti no se ne ti bia na se me ye ni option bia se me ye enti se obi be boa me a me da na se so obi a no boa me so a Yami ya dum na nuwo mana na me di madum na me nyetke bia me de go back to fight.
Orlando me nyi ni se wo kura wadwuma se contractor afi na akwakochi akopesika. Because already wo akodim deda. Be 35,000 yes na wo kira mi akodim.
Yes.
Say that continuity in governance e wo hopa e ka ban foforo ba yi. Enka ya toa so ya fra okra as a contractor. Say hwe nka ta nyina bibia e kronye entigiska fago toa so. Ana woni menya adwene sa.
O wale me no ya adwene sa. Say wo be fi wo ba ba dia tie nya da boa ye. Because me nim say enchom be BS school, don't BS school na kwala na nya ba bia mbokwa. Ye nya be ha adwene because nkwala no ne ye da atin. Di say wo BS school no mo nya ba bia. And I mean, say almost school back no more come so. And the whole problem to me, I want to mean alcohol. I want to mean alcohol until the year begging and say so more baho. Until you know a bomb fire, and I never had them that you did to your young word. Your young word, yeah, better come back to sight. Near Papa, you Jumana, maybe a man Palano.
Oracle Manendo as an offense.
Nothing that's
Oracle na contractor. Esanse MA primary one adwuma ne hye nsa ya ba ko ho
ba to William Tonga
o tun ko ma na me ne contractor ne twetwe no
Martin nyina
enti adisia enei wo mo nsam wo bie wo mo free denchire sanse ho enei ebi ye approaching penifo immigration penifo ebi kura wa brochire amanone yentimi nke kansa se 350,000 Ghana cedis es kan so nyes kabia yentimi nke kansa se na animanim yayi yamboabo asika no na yemfa nkoso sa school dan na bosome miensanchi ansa na mofra kwa be school by January no na ga school dan no are ready yawe
nya menya yawo kanu nyina ewo na tikatia we sabi mbanyi atita ehinu munyi te yaba dunko apadinga ita yaka ekwantu kwana yaka apadinga ita ahanu mono yaka they are going to pass a strong boat to bank and I didn't know MC abandon me yeah, just a sign to community Sana, almost some visitor Sana, about school. You know, I wanted to say, oh, my boy, oh, my boy. This is the I know, and I will be the MC Nusuna. I'm kind of for Pajano. And this idea, I said, animal, I react. It's good, I know this. You won't see for 2021, yeah. About go with the airline. No ballot box. I remember it's
hey,
some of our.
What is some and penny farm about away, Mamma for ballot box and mad into Sansi?
I have what I know I have that.
Yabac woman was in the Infancy.
Mr. Medas.
Ya also back with a unit committee chairman. Didn't you, Sansi? Yabas Rabine. Yayeni here and Sana in your fata. Yayeni here and Sana in your fata. His Excellency the Nadu Dankwa Kufuado. Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempe, Minister of Education. One more bed, I don't know, share basic and secondary. Dr. Yawaduchum. Monchamani and Shadenche Sase MA Primary School. And Sana Mofreya BA School by January. Monchamani got his school, no? And Sana Mofreya BA School by January. Ebiamu so adisia musamwo bie asesa be osiachi nyawda ehwa na otafre abua bie nso ne hwa wo wusura de takra mafam ma fa school nim ene ma siye musama babie momwa se obia pesa oni atwetwe nkomo efa sa school yi ho ebia na wo fidentire sanse wate se me yehu dede adom fm so frame na ye ne contractor ni hia na ye hunu kwan ya betimi arezi sika na ye de akosi school dan no from 0206 943337 0206 943337 ni akosi school dan no me the chief Jerry Forson Yafasida Emma Franco Trading Enterprise. Wamadoroma. And yadi beyuano. Yadi brewo. Beyuano. Na yensano.